Excel Workbook and the Use of English, Grade 5, Model 1B, Exercises from 1 to 10, pages 6 and 7. Exercise 1. Fill in there is, there isn't, there are, there aren't. The first sentence, there are some sofas. The second, there are some armchairs. The third, there is a desk. The fourth, there are some chairs. The fifth, there isn't a bed. The sixth, there aren't any paintings. Exercise 2. Look at the picture again, complete the questions, answer them. The first, are there any cushions? Yes, there are. The second, is there a painting? No, there isn't. The third, is there a fridge? No, there isn't. The fourth, are there any flowers? No, there aren't. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences so they are true about you. The first, there is a desk in my bedroom. The second, there are posters on the wall. The third, there is a bed in my bedroom. The fourth, there aren't 3 windows in my room. The fifth, there is a wardrobe in my bedroom. The sixth, there isn't a carpet on the floor. The seventh, there aren't 4 chairs in my room. The eighth, there is a bookcase in my room. Exercise 4. Circle the correct prepositions. The first, there is a garden behind the house. The second, there is a poster on the wall. The third, my bedroom is next to the bathroom. The fourth, the cat is under the table. The fifth, the books are between the vase and the lamp. Exercise 5. Look at the picture and correct the sentences. The first, there is a pair of shoes next to the bed. No, there isn't. There is a pair of shoes under the bed. The second, there are magazines on the bed. No, there aren't. There are magazines on the floor. The third, there is a chair near the desk. No, there isn't. There is a chair in front of the desk. The fourth, there is a lamp behind the desk. No, there isn't. There is a lamp next to the desk. The fifth, there is a wardrobe next to the desk. No, there isn't. There is a wardrobe near the bed. The sixth, there are 2 balls under the bed. No, there aren't. There are 2 balls next to the bed. There are 2 balls between the bed and the wardrobe. Exercise 6. What is there in your bedroom? Write sentences. There is a lamp on my desk. There are shoes under my bed. There are books in the bookcase. There is a computer on my desk. There are posters on the wall. Exercise 7. Complete with a, an, some, or any. The first, are there any flowers in the garden, Mom? No, there aren't any. The second, have you got a pen? I haven't got one in my pencil case, but there are some on my desk. Take one. Thank you. Have you got an eraser? No, I haven't. The third, are there any pencils on your desk? Yes, there are some. Why? Can I have a red one, please? Sure, here you are. Exercise 8. Fill in. The first, clean your bedroom, please. The second, please don't eat in here. The third, don't talk in your class. The fourth, close the window, please. The fifth, do your homework. The sixth, don't be late for school. Exercise 9. Write the ordinal numbers. The first, 13th. The second, 9th. The third, 3rd. The fourth, 19th. The fifth, 5th. The sixth, 20th. The seventh, 12th. The eighth, 2nd. The ninth, 11th. The 10th, 17th. The 11th, 4th. The 12th, 18th. Exercise 1. Choose the correct answer. The first, there are some books on the table. The second, the sofa is in front of the window. The third, are there any pillows? Yes, there are. The fourth, the garden hasn't got any trees. The fifth, is there a fridge in the kitchen? The sixth, please don't run in the classroom. The seventh, there is a carpet on the floor, but there aren't any curtains in the bedroom. The eighth, there is a small table between the two chairs. The ninth, where is my watch? It's next to the lamp. Are there any apples? The 11th, there is a mouse in the kitchen. The 12th, there are some flowers in the vase.